There's our holes. Squeeze the mess, everyone. Put it all in there. Oh, you gotta pour it all in there, Lauren.
A what?
Yeah. All of it has to go in.
The whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing. All right. That's only one. Hello, everyone. So we are planting here because my backyard have too many weeds. It's a heartbreaker, so it's going to take some time for me to plant these plants. So instead, I'm going to plant them up in this here tub. All right. Lauren is doing most of the work, though. We're doing the pink and white garden. Okay, Marcus is bringing more soil. These things require a lot of soil, I'm noticing. This is what we're planting up. Several different bags. These bags are required. So when it's in the ground, you can mix it.
Good job, Lauren. You work. Getting me.
Lift the balloons up when you plant it like that. All right, you can take your gloves off. You gotta feel the dirt. It's fun feeling the dirt. Okay. So now let's pour some more. It's a Verbena. It's just trailing kind. Here. In my bowl. All right. So it's a bed. Good job. Happy. I don't have a little skinny paintbrush, so we're gonna do this with love. Now next is the letter T.
That's easy.
Oh, that's easy. Legend over here messing up my herb garden. He's gonna do one next. It's gonna be in blue and white. This is all love. Wow, when I do stuff on the flim, I don't have a lot of, well, sometimes I have to get creative. Might not have all the supplies. Ooh, happy Fathers. The H is next. Got a lot of space in between that A and the T. So you go over there and do H. I'm just gonna make your A bigger. Memories. Oh, it's gonna drip in the middle. But now he'll know how we did this. All right, you're doing good. Bring the bucket closer. All right, I'll show you all the finished product. Okay, so now I'm putting polka dots in between the letters. Just put a little bit of paint on my thumb. Blue. Really, it's a light blue, but teal. Time to get hands wet. All right. Woo. Legend's next. All right. Oh Lord, it's gonna look weird because it got the lines in it. I didn't think about that. Good job. Okay, I can see almost 5 fingers. Okay, so try to put it on this part right here, because that part's flat. Good job. Okay. Wait, no. When you put it twice, it's gonna smush it. You gotta just do it one time. Oh, wait. Sideways. On the flat part. Yeah. Now pull it off. See? Now that's better. Now that's your real hand part.
That legend turn.
Legend turn. All right. Let me see if I can get one. Okay, you can go put your hand in the bucket. Oh, Lordy. This is the things we do for you, Marcus. Make sure it's on all right. Oh, my gosh, you all see this? This is love. This is love. That's love. Memories. Now that looks even worse. What is that? Say, I should have filled up my whole hand though. That's 1 finger, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what that is. It's just a love print. The correct way to do this is wet the whole hand. Let's see. That's the correct way. Now let's see if I can get a real handprint. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Better than nothing. We recording. Come on. Open. Whoa. Good job. All right. Show the camera your hands. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Now we're going to go clean it off. Lord, shut them over here. Our bucket of water. I use this bucket for everything, so you all is good. And cleaning hands too. Oh, Legend. You all, Legend is a water baby. He loves this type of stuff. And just like that, everything's off. Ooh, I gotta clean that later. Now that's how you succeed. This over here. Oh, that's my finger. That's Lauren's handprint. Excuse me, Lauren. That's Lauren. That's mine. And here's Legends. Oh, you all. I don't know what Legend is. Oh, no, that's Legends. And that's Legends right there. Lawrence. Legends. And mine. Oh. Picard. Lauren is about to attempt to spell her name. See? Come out a lot. It's okay if you...
I don't know. I have
Okay, well, just put an L and an S for Smith. A big F, yeah. Okay. She got... All right. Yes, you see it's hard to spray with that. Okay, let's find somewhere else. Let's spray paint a happy face. If you can do a happy face, you can do that right there. And that's fine. Yeah. Big circle. Only 2 eyes. And then you want to do... Oh, that's so cute. If you live in a very hot climate area, feel free to line the inside of your galvanized planter with the material that covers roofs. This is what they put on top of the roof. It looks similar to weed berry fabric, but it'll keep the tin cool because it will get extremely hot and requires extra watering.